Can y'all twirl and hold hands?
No, I want to hold hands.
Am I moving, Margaret?
Yeah.
Look at me.
Whoa, you are. You're going so fast. I'm making you run. Oh, you gotta move your legs. And move this. Move everything on you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm so dizzy.
Are you dizzy?
I'm dizzy.
Can you twirl the other way now? Try it again. Twirl the other way. Yeah.
That works. Let's keep twirling. My hair is around. Look at my hair.
I'm looking at your hair.
My hair is moving. I mean, my hair is moving. Then I'm going so much. You're moving.
Margot, you are moving fast.
I'm moving back too.
Stella, you're moving fast.
How can I do like this? Like a snake. How can you do this? I know how. My legs can do this. I can twirl my legs. Whoa. It looks pretty fun like this. Is this going round?
Oh my goodness.
Look, you're falling.
Am I moving?
Mama.
Run to the chair. Run to the stripy chair. Wait, Margot, you gotta run to the stripy chair. 1, 2, 3, go. Did you make it?
No.
Okay, run to the brown chair. Whoa. Oh, watch out for your sister, Stella. Give her a hug. You just knocked her over. Hug her.
Mama, watch how fast I can dance. I am moving. You're moving. I'm going faster and faster. Whoa. Watch Percy go right, Percy. I'm going right, Percy. So is Percy and I'm Thomas. And I'm Percy. Turn right around. Whoa. I'm hiding my pigs. Put seeds in the rings. Let's keep going. I keep going. Look. I'm Percy. And I'm Thomas. And I'm
Okay, ready? We're gonna go run down the hallway now. 1, 2, 3, go. Come run down the hallway.